Here you can see a component being cut with programming software that was supplied alongside this fibre laser. It's cutting the internal side of each hole in a circular movement and then moves to the outer side, and lastly cutting the two short sides before moving on to the next hole. There can also be a risk that the head will travel over an area that's previously been cut, risking damage to the head if any scrap has tipped. Compare this with JETCAM Expert using JetCut, our fly cutting technology, and the difference is clear. JetCut intelligently locates grids of internal holes and then splits the cutting into separate short line segments that lie on the same line or circle. The cutting head is kept down during movement, and the laser beam is switched on and off on the fly. This dramatically reduces the cutting time of grids. Rounded movements between cuts can be applied as the laser head moves to the next row, minimising acceleration changes. Once configured, the entire process is automatic and is applied with a couple of mouse clicks. Jet Optimizer takes things further by optimising the cutting sequence of internal holes to minimise machine movements while also avoiding travel over previously cut areas. If we run the two videos side by side, the difference in speed is clear. This customer noted an 80% reduction in programming time due to JETCAM's automation and saw a 13.2% reduction in overall machine cycle time. As a result, they saw a return on their investment in under 4 months. We'll move on to the JETCAM simulator to see the optimised cutting sequence in detail. The logic for both JetCut and Jet Optimizer is applied completely automatically, taking only a couple of mouse clicks. As the part is cut, you'll see that the laser head moves from the centre outwards so as to avoid coming into contact with any loose material. For more information, please contact your JETCAM reseller or visit jetcam.com.